Today I've got a quick and easy fix for you guys where if you have a battery operated item and it all of a sudden becomes inoperative, I'll show you what to do that hopefully you can get it working just like it was before. Case in point, this is the keyboard from the computer that I use to make these wonderful videos for you guys, and the other day I go to sit down and I've got nothing. Now it does have batteries in it, which every once in a while, you know, I got to put a new set in there, and usually happens at the most inconvenient times, but that usually solves the problem. And that's what I did. I put a brand new set of batteries in here and sat down. Nothing. It didn't work. So I flipped it over. We'll take a look inside the battery door just a little bit closer. And you want to inspect the terminals. Now, there was just a little bit of kind of a cloudiness of corrosion on the plastic, but that's from like many years ago, about 5 years ago. The batteries that came out of here weren't leaking. I don't see any corrosion on the terminals at all. And I took two brand new batteries, put them in like so, put the cover on, flipped it over, and still nothing. I even tried wiggling the batteries a little bit because that might do it in case there's a bad connection. Put the cover back on, flipped it over, nothing. It wasn't until I did this that it fixed this keyboard again. I used a typical nail file here and used it to just brush up against the springy end here. Very light pressure. It's kind of like, you know, you're filing your nails. Just kind of clean it off a little bit, even though it didn't look like anything was wrong with it in the first place. Went over to the other side where the little button tab is. Repeated the same procedure. Just scuffing it up just a little bit. Kind of clean it up. Put my batteries back in for another retest. Battery door back on. So after hitting the contacts with the nail file, the keyboard is now fully restored. It works beautifully. It works just like the day it was brand new. And to think, I almost threw this in the garbage because upon visual inspection, it didn't look like anything was wrong with those contacts. I assumed something was broken on the inside. So if you got a battery-powered device not working anymore, you put brand new batteries in it, hit it with a nail file on those contacts as a last-ditch effort. You'd be surprised. 9 times out of 10, it might fix your device for you. Hey, and if it does, and you fix something by watching this video, let me know what you fixed. Drop a comment down below. I'd like to hear how you saved some money and how you know you were helped out by watching this. So hope you enjoyed the tip I have here for you. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. And as always, thanks for watching.